Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is the part 2 of the Rain World series. We're going to be doing some more Rain Worlding. So last time we got to the thingy, like industrial complex, and we will be continuing from where we were. So last time we ended off with a spear and a rock in this hibernation place. Okay, I don't know why I did that, but I just did. Oh. There's another spare out here anyway, so guess it wasn't much of a waste. I heard that you could do something like I hit the wrong one. Open up. So apparently you could eat this. You know much food on here, yeah, from this. Anyways, you know that. I don't know why I feel that. Anyways, on our way we go. Thank you for the food, mysterious plant. Here we go. Hopefully that's not like something that'll kill me. I think I placed it. I should have brought down here. Let's go up. I hope I'm going some. Right, so where did I go? Up here? No. Okay, I gotta do the long jump for this one. I'm looking for a new spawn point or checkpoint, or a resting place, shelter, whatever you want to call it. Currently, this episode I was kind of wanting to tame a lizard or murder a lizard. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. I need to like kill something that a lizard would eat if I want to tame one. I don't need that, but there might be something that I could give to a lizard up here. Or safe point? No. Just, oh, here we go. So we're gonna currently go to here to go. Ooh, that's a lizard. Are we gonna murder him? Yeah, probably. Even though I'm here. So I don't know why I threw that rock in the first one. Maybe not. Alright, now we're gonna go through here, hopefully to an area that would be more good for destroying a lizard. Is it following me still? No, I'm just gonna head out of here. Oh! 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 Oh my god, what's happening? Am I dead? Are they making me a new nest? No! God, there's still one of the bees on me. I'm just gonna sneak. Oh! Okay, I'm dead. That didn't go so well, did it? Getting our crap back. Um, no, I don't know why I did that. I just did. Alright, let's go get some more popcorn since I didn't kill me last time. I don't want a rock. I want. Okay, now I got my crap. I can go back up here. Oh wait, there's another spear down there I could go get since I threw mine into a wall for absolutely no reason. Check that. Let's go. I didn't expect that beehive to just. Okay, maybe I was not very smart of me to do. Oh my. Yeah, I'm not very being intelligent. But give me that. Let's go. Uh, so if I find something that I can murder and give to a lizard, then I will give that to a lizard. But if I find a lizard first, and okay. And there's a Dragon Slayer achievement, which you just murder a bunch of lizards. So, you murder all types of lizards. Well, not like all of the lizards. I mean like a single one of all types. Okay, let's go. Alright, this time I don't know if we went up there or not. I'm just gonna go over here. Oh, this is where we went. I don't want to get demolished by some bees, so we're gonna go this way. Alright, here we go. Or did we go here? I think I'm going insane. I think we. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're going this way instead. I wonder what's happening over there. I'm glad it has nothing to do with me. Can I go murder one of those lizards? Or is this a bad idea? Right. That green lizard seems to be having difficulties. Why don't I follow it? I'm not following it. Sorry about that. I am back. Uh, so I'm gonna go follow that green lizard and absolutely murder the crap out of it. Or it might murder the accident. It fell in fear. That's totally. Okay, that was scary. Oh god. Right, here we go. Please don't tell me it's gonna murder me now. God. Oh wait, that's a pearl. Oh no, they're gonna fight. Okay, so they left, and I'm gonna go grab that pearl just so like if I see any scavengers, I can go find them. All right, here we go. Here. If you're wondering where the pearl went, I swallowed it and I can like throw it up or whatever. And it will cost like one food. But at like a scavenger hole, I'll split it. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I could save some scavengers here. This isn't looking too good for me. Oh, bro, it's pinned down. I'm just gonna murder this guy. This guy has no choice but to just. Oh, he's free. Oh, looks like he's not having a very good time. No, I don't. No, I don't want to stab him. I want to just. Oh, did I murder it? Heck yeah. Okay, no, get away from me. He dead? Yep, he is dead. I murdered him. And that's what he gets anyways. Now, let's go. Oh, there's a vulture coming. Yeah, and I don't like vultures. Like, God, what is so many confusing types of lizards here, and I don't like it. I hope that increased my scavenger. Safari region unlocked? What? Oh God, that's about to rain. Wait, what? How do I get out of here? Crap! Let me. I don't want to do a backflip game. Am I just dead? I don't want to die. I'm too young to die, game. Okay. I want to exit. Go here. God, yeah, I don't know if we're gonna survive this one. Yeah, we're not. How am I even supposed to get up there? Oh, yeah, that's totally not gonna get me here. I'm not dying. But the rain is getting kind of hard. God, we already have 14 minutes. Video going. Alright. The rain is enough. Guys, should I just. Oh God. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're not doing so good. So now we gotta restart this. So guys, we're just gonna speed run our way to a new save point. Okay, I missed that horrendously. I got horrible in. Gimme. now that we're done with that, let's just go find a new place. I'm not gonna murder a lizard. I'm not gonna spend my time murdering a- innocent animals. I'm just gonna go like get a home or go get like a save point or whatever. Okay. Did you see that epic moment? I totally did the long jump for that and then do a backflip. Alright, let's go. See those blue lizards? Yeah, they're very easy to kill. Like one spear and they start cowering away. They're barely a predator, that's what I can say. Oh, but they do have a tongue. Okay, see that? Oh, okay, yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but this video, we have made absolutely no progress. You just watched me get fumbled around for 16 minutes. Alright. See y'all later, and, have a Merry Christmas. It's the best time of the year, anyways. Or happy whatever you're celebrating. See you guys.